Have you ever wondered how to start affiliate marketing with zero investment? Well, you've come to the right place. Affiliate marketing, in a nutshell, is a process where you, as an affiliate, promote a product or service for a company. When someone makes a purchase or signs up for a service through your referral link, you earn a commission. Now imagine doing this without having to spend a dime upfront. That's right, zero investment. It might sound too good to be true, but it is not only possible, it's happening all around us. With the right strategy, you can tap into this potentially lucrative income stream. In the upcoming scenes, we will walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. We'll cover topics such as identifying your niche, finding affiliate programs, creating your platform, and promoting affiliate products effectively. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of starting your affiliate marketing journey with no initial investment. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, imagine yourself as a bridge connecting two islands. On one side, we have the producers, those who create products or services. On the other side, we have the consumers, those who need or want these products or services. Now, as a bridge, your job is to facilitate this connection to help these two islands communicate and interact. That, in essence, is what affiliate marketing is all about. It's a performance-based marketing strategy where you, as an affiliate marketer, earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Here's how it works. The process begins with you joining an affiliate program. These programs are run by companies who want to sell more of their products. They'll provide you with a unique link that tracks back to them, so they know when a sale came from your promotion. Once you have that link, you incorporate it into your content. This could be a blog post, a social media update, a video on YouTube, really any platform where you can reach an audience. When someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. As an affiliate marketer, you play a crucial role in this transaction. You're not just a bridge, but a guide, helping consumers find what they need or want. You provide valuable information about the product, offer insights, share experiences, and help them make an informed decision. And the earnings, they're generated from the sales made through your unique affiliate link. The more people who click on your link and make a purchase, the more commission you earn. It's a reward for your marketing efforts, and the potential for earnings can be significant. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The company gets more sales, the consumer finds a product they need, and you get paid for your efforts. Now that we've grasped what affiliate marketing is, let's move on to the first step of starting your journey. The first step in affiliate marketing is identifying your niche. Now, what exactly is a niche? It's that specific area or topic that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in, and it's where you'll focus your marketing efforts. But don't just jump in headfirst into the first niche that comes to mind. It's crucial to choose wisely. Why? Because your chosen niche will determine the products or services you'll be promoting. And more importantly, it will dictate your target audience. So, how do you identify a profitable niche? First, consider your interests. It's easier to promote something you're passionate about. Next, research market demand. You want a niche with a sizable audience interested in it. Lastly, review the competition. A niche with too many players might be tough to break into, but one with little to no competition might not be profitable. Remember, finding the right balance between passion, demand, and competition is key. Once you've identified your niche, you're ready to move on to the next step. The next step is finding the right affiliate programs. Now, let's delve into the world of affiliate programs. They come in all shapes and sizes, each with their unique features and benefits. First off, you've got your retail programs. These are typically run by major online retailers like Amazon. They offer a vast array of products, so no matter your niche, you're bound to find something that fits. The commission rates can vary, but often they're on the lower side. Then there are the service-based programs. These cover a range of services, from web hosting to online courses. The commissions here can be quite generous, often a percentage of the service fee. Plus, many of these programs offer recurring commissions, meaning you'll earn each time your referral renews their subscription. Lastly, we have the high-ticket programs. These programs offer high-end products or services, and with that comes higher commission rates. However, bear in mind that these products might be harder to sell due to their price tag. So, how do you find these programs? Well, a simple online search should do the trick. Type in your niche followed by affiliate programs and voila, you'll have a list of potential programs to join. Alternatively, if there's a particular product or service you love, check if they have an affiliate program. Remember, it's easier to promote something you genuinely believe in. But hold on, before you dive in, there are a few factors to consider. First, the commission rate. Naturally, you'd want a program that offers a good return on your efforts, but don't be swayed by high percentages alone. Also, look at the product price. A high percentage of a low-priced product might not be as lucrative as a lower percentage of a high-priced product. Second, consider the cookie duration. This is the time frame within which you'll earn a commission if someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase. Longer cookie durations are generally better. Lastly, consider the program's reputation. Do your research, read reviews, check ratings. You want to join a program that's reliable and trusted. After finding the right affiliate program, it's time to create your platform. Now let's move on to the next exciting step in our affiliate marketing journey. The third step in your affiliate marketing journey is creating your platform. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a platform in this context? Simply put, it's the online space where you'll be promoting your chosen affiliate products or services. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or even your social media accounts. Starting with blogs, they are a great way to engage with your audience on a deeper level. You can write detailed product reviews, create how-to guides, and share personal experiences. Setting up a blog is a breeze with platforms like WordPress and Blogger. These platforms are user-friendly and require no coding knowledge. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to blogging. Regularly updating your blog with fresh, relevant content is crucial for attracting and retaining your audience. Next, we have YouTube. The video sharing platform is a powerful tool for affiliate marketing. Here, you can create product unboxing videos, tutorials, or comparison videos. YouTube's vast user base can help you reach a wider audience. Plus, people tend to trust products more when they can see them in action. And then there's social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are excellent for affiliate marketing. They allow you to engage with your audience directly and share affiliate links in posts or stories. You can even create dedicated pages or groups for your affiliate marketing endeavors. Remember, each social media platform has its unique features and audience demographics, so choose the one that best aligns with your target audience. Regardless of the platform you choose, make sure it aligns with your niche and audience. It's also crucial to provide valuable content that addresses your audience's needs and interests. This is what will make them trust your recommendations and eventually click on your affiliate links. So take the time to choose your platform wisely, set it up properly, and fill it with engaging, valuable content. This will form the foundation of your affiliate marketing journey. With your platform ready, you're set to promote your chosen affiliate products or services. The final step is promoting your affiliate products. This stage is where you get to flex your creative muscles, designing content that not only engages your audience, but also showcases your affiliate products in a compelling way. From blog posts and social media updates to email newsletters and video tutorials, the possibilities are limitless. But creativity alone won't cut it. It's crucial to combine it with proven SEO strategies. By optimizing your content with relevant keywords, you'll increase its visibility in search engine results, driving more traffic to your platform. Don't forget about the power of social proof, folks. Customer testimonials, reviews, and case studies can significantly boost your credibility and consequently your product's appeal. Remember, consistency is key. Regular updates will keep your platform fresh and your audience engaged. With these steps, you're ready to embark on your affiliate marketing journey with zero investment. Let's quickly recap on what we've learned today. We started by unraveling the world of affiliate marketing, understanding what it is and how it works. We then moved on to identifying a niche, the first crucial step in your affiliate marketing journey. Finding a niche that aligns with your passion and has a market demand is key. Next, we dove into the process of finding suitable affiliate programs. Remember, it's about the program's relevance to your chosen niche and the value it offers your audience. After that, we discussed creating your platform. A blog, a website, or a social media channel, it's your choice. Just ensure it resonates with your target audience and can effectively promote your affiliate products. Lastly, we delved into promoting affiliate products, where the magic happens. Utilize your platform to promote these products effectively and earn a commission. Remember, starting an affiliate marketing journey with zero investment is possible. All it takes is a bit of knowledge, dedication, and the right strategies. Good luck!